Me and this dude over here.
Yeah, sorry about this.
Alright, yeah. So I'm gonna dunk first. We're doing a dunk competition. I almost say compilation. Alright, get out my way. And then after this, we might do some interviews. But I don't know.
Ooh, nice one, nice one.
His turn.
Over there.
Yeah, that's my turn. My turn.
Right here. I'm gonna do this last one, and y'all tell us in the comments who you think won.
Come on. Wait, oh! Wait, fix it. Sorry about this, guy. Oh. Go ahead. Alright, watch this.
Alright, he's gonna go one more time, then I'm gonna go one more time, and you tell us who won.
What? Okay,
Come on.
why do I keep doing that? Why does it keep hitting the ball? Alright, pass it. Pass it. I didn't mean to do that. Wait. Oh. I'll catch y'all guys later before I do this.
Peace out.